So something that helps me stay sober is attending to our garden. My mom usually was the one to do this, but since she's sadly no longer with us, it's my dad and I's job, and I usually am the one that does a lot of it. And here are some tulips. They're just not bloomed yet. That waterfall noise you hear is right here. My brother built this a while back. He thought he would make a business out of it, but he realized that the work that it took wasn't worth the payout. Just lots of wonderful flowers. Some of them just still haven't bloomed because it's early spring. Some more over here on our side by our fence. I really like our little garden. Gonna show you one more thing that my dad and I built that we decided to build for pollinators. It's called a pollinator box, and it's usually to keep other sorts of pollinators besides honeybees. It keeps them, it stores their larvae, so when they hatch, we have more pollinators, and it's a great way just to keep your pollinators keep coming. We also keep over here this is usually where we keep our vegetables and our herbs. Right here we're growing dill. It's starting to sprout. We also keep some in here, but not much is sprouted. And it's just a great way to keep your garden and your backyard or your front yard if you have a front yard. A great thing to do to keep you occupied, especially if you're in recovery like I am. I do suggest this is something that you do because it really helps me stay with Mother Nature, and I just really love doing this.